Little V8 MG.
Well, he goes out now. He goes out.
R52 MG with a V8.
Oh, you need this. And this fucker come back with, oh, here's this rocker arm. So like, what else? It's like $3,500 rocker arm. You okay? He's 73. He's got money.
Obviously, he's got money.
I'm just gonna buy all. I wish I ran the old shit because I'd be buying the old shit from him for a half price. Everybody knows where you want a motor like that. He's actually selling everything. No, he said. Why?
Get some great shots.
He's selling everything in his shop and just keeping the real car's gone.
See you later. See you later. See you, Rick. Take it easy. Line them up.
I've seen
Jump on
I've
it.
seen Cobras with like big Goodyear stickers.
Chickens. Chickens.
You had to get up
That's
under
Steve.
the skirt, didn't you?
Yeah. You're being pretty brave last weekend. I saw you burning rubber when you left that show. Here, Mikey. We'll see you later.
Okay, bye.